Alright guys, we finally got done wrapping the Civic. Unfortunately, I'm not able to take it out as of yet. So I decided that before I took it out, because as you guys know, this is my daily, and I decided to go over the engine bay all over again. Make sure nothing else is messed up, make sure I don't need to replace anything. Unfortunately, I do have to replace. So I've noticed that there is antifreeze leaking right under the distributor. There is this hose that I will have to be replacing today. Unfortunately, I will have to remove the distributor just to get to the hose. Don't know how that got messed up. Probably since it's an old car. Maybe the hose is fragile, ripped. But whatever it is, we need to replace that. We need to replace the valve cover gasket because it is leaking. And there's motor mounts I've noticed that were ripped. We also going to be replacing that in this video. So it's going to be a lot of like maintenance going on in this video. But yeah, let's jump right into it. It's gonna be a long day. I might not get everything done today since I have to go to work tomorrow, and I am a truck driver, so you know I need my sleep. But yeah, let's just, from the rip, we're gonna be working on the hose. That's the first thing, the main thing that I'm gonna be focused on today, the hose. And then we go from there as the day carries on, because you know a simple project turns into a mess, into a couple days of work. But let's just jump right into it and let's see what's going on. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the hose that I was talking about. Look how fragile this hose is. I don't know what caused that, but I guess the age. But yeah, gonna be removing this clamp right here, and there's a clamp behind here, right there. And we're gonna be removing that, and we're gonna go pick up a new hose. I don't know if you guys seen in the video, but to remove the distributor is just three bolts, 1, 2, and 3. What I do is I mark so that way I could put everything back where it was at, or at least as close as possible, since you know that has adjustments and stuff. But yeah, hopefully we get that back the way it was. But yeah, let's remove this hose, let's go pick up a new one and get this replaced. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we just removed the hose. Had to figure out some stuff to plug it in because it was still leaking antifreeze. I didn't want to drain out the whole system, so we plugged it in here. And back there doesn't leak, so we good there. So yeah, let me go real quick pick this hose up from AutoZone or whoever the hell has it, and we'll get right back into the video. Alright guys, so I went to go buy the hose, came back, and look who's here removing my damn mount. And the worst part, he didn't even bother to record it. So now, yep, I guess now it's just motor mount removal. Alright, so we picked up the hose, just installed it. Everything worked out perfectly fine. Actually looks OEM, so thank God for that guy. But now we're just gonna put everything back together. Anthony's over there still f***ing with suspension parts. Two years later, he's still working on that.
Oh yeah, right? 2 years later?
But yeah, let me finish this up here, put the distributor back on, and hope for the best. Alright, got the hose, got the distributor back on, got a zip tie. His tie broke. This guy over there breaking shit again.
I don't think it's installed without a battery.
Yeah, we gotta put that first. Alright, so we've decided, since we already replaced the other lower control arm from the accident, we're just gonna do this side, and we did the upper control arm on the other side, so we're just gonna do that real quick on this side. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got the upper control arms done. It's actually been a couple days since we was doing the installation, but I'm just recapping again just to catch you guys up to speed. So like I said, we got the upper control arms on both sides. We got the lower control arms on both sides as well. We also got this motor mount replaced. Kind of pain in the ass, we had to lower the motor, but whatever. We got this motor mount done. We actually got this upper motor mount done, and we got the driver's side motor mount done. We did not get to the rear one because obviously, as you can see, it is a pain in the ass. We will eventually get to it, obviously, but as of right now, it seemed good. So we're just gonna wait off on that a little longer. This is the brand new hose that I replaced. As you guys can see, we got that done. Distributor's back on. Car's been running. It's been, like I said, a couple days. So I've been testing and making sure that everything is good. And yeah, we also got the radiator replaced. I'm gonna insert a video here. I had ordered the wrong radiator. I wanted to actually have the polished aluminum radiator, but it did not come with the parts, the actual hose inlet right here. Let me see if I can get that to you right there. That fitting, it did not come in the radiator that I bought. I'm assuming it's the racing one or whatever the hell the case may be. But anywho, so we got a new radiator.
Ripping it? That shit bang. Oh, that don't matter. The other one got it, right?
No.
The other radiator don't got that?
Nope.
Oh, hold up a minute. Where the fuck is those two lines gonna go through? They're supposed to go through here. One of these shits. Yeah. Oh, that's to hold the fan. Is it? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. They said that it has it. So what the fuck is this for?
This shit doesn't have it. It doesn't even have the one for the transmission.
The condenser, I have not yet to get it. I will eventually get it. It's winter time now, so AC is not a must right now. Eventually, I will be picking a new one up. And I was supposed to wire up the fog lights. Have not yet to do that. It's been cold, raining, and I've had a lot of stuff going on. So that will be coming soon. I will be installing that soon. Just the same thing as the fender lights. I have not yet to install the wiring. I did it in the previous videos, but after the accident, I did not get that done. But yeah, so just wanted to catch you guys back up to speed on everything we done. We'll be replacing brakes soon. Gonna higher up the car a little bit, as bad as it sounds, but winter is here and car is sits pretty low. And, you know, obviously snow in Jersey and all of that stuff. I just want to, you know, play it safe. So we're going to higher it up a little bit, not too much. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video so far. If you want to see more content on the Civic, or do you prefer the Accord? Accord, obviously, like I said in the previous video, I am making up a video on that. And soon we're going to be working on the Accord for next season's events. And we're also going to be working on the Civic for next season. Hopefully we'll be able to bring out the Civic with, you know, a cleaner engine bay, better wheels. But like I said, we got a few goodies coming soon. Stay tuned. More videos, more content for both cars. So like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.